Hey everyone, here's Forward, Marcus and me at the top of Great Zimbabwe monument inside the cave playing Chipembere. We just recorded a special song outside, and the night before we welcomed new artist Ronald Musikiwa to the project. He played the most sublime chakwi with Forward, which almost had us all in tears. I'll share that one another time. Enjoy.